Do you want to improve your English grammar? If your answer is yes, then this channel is made for you. Because here I will help you learn English grammar in a simple, easy and interesting way. This is my first video. In this video, I will share two important things with you. Number one, why did I make this channel? And number second, what you can expect on this channel. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification so that you never miss any of my upcoming videos. So now let's get started. First of all, I will talk about why did I make this channel. You might be wondering, why did I make this channel? The answer is simple. Many students and beginners find English grammar difficult, confusing, or boring. But I wanted to change that. My goal is to make grammar simple, easy, and interesting for everyone. Here, I will teach grammar step by step using simple examples, clear explanations, and practical exercise. I made this because I believe learning grammar doesn't have to be boring or difficult. Even just 5 minutes a day can help you improve your grammar step by step and build confidence in English. Okay? Then number second, what you can expect on this channel. Now let's talk about what you can expect from this channel. Ideas you can expect on this channel. First, short and simple lessons. Each video will focus on one topic at a time, so you never feel overwhelmed. Second, clear explanations with real-life examples. Everything will be easy to understand and remembered. Okay. Third and last, practical exercise. You will get simple practice tasks to help you apply what you learn. Okay. We will start from the basic and slowly move to advanced topics, all explained in a fun and easy way. So let's learn English grammar together step by step in a simple and smart way. Thank you for watching and take care and Allah Hafiz.